welcome back to another video on our dog hates farts.
But even in that, there's something that's so therapeutic, so I enjoy it.
Stop. He's gonna bite you guys. He's not gonna let you.
Dog.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. He's trying to get away from you. You're freaking him out.
Come here. Come here, Meatball. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hi. Who's a good boy?
Look, scroll through those and look how
You like the camera. You like the viewers.
Like we beat the crap out of you and told you to take a picture.
This is what it feels like to be me, Chick. So annoying. Go ahead and say what you're going to say.
There's some decent ones in there.
So the Morrisons
I mean, take away this morose little kid.
But I don't want to. I wanted a picture of all of us together.
Well, we'll have to try again some other time. Maybe when
Triggered.
smile.
Tracy Bagger.
Hey, Kyle.
No! Chase!
What?
He peed!
Oh no! What?
It's peeing everywhere.
What the hell? That's not funny.
I tried to tell you. I yelled, Mommy!
You need to go outside.
You
What the
still
hell was
didn't.
that? He's peed all through the whole damn living room. What did you do?
I didn't do squat.
That's strong. Holy shit, lady.
I can't smell anything.
Hey, you want to sit down and watch this with me?
What is it?
You want to watch this with me, Colin? It may not be Geos.
It's San Andreas.
I love this. I love this. Watch
I can
this.
tell just by the front cover.
Where do you know that, smarty
That's
pants?
the iPhone 5S or I see. I can tell. By the back of the phone.
That is probably my favorite part of this whole movie.
I'm gonna put right on your leg.
Don't do it on my leg. Do it on mommy's leg.
I
Mommy,
did it
come
on
here.
your leg.
Oh, you stinky. You little stinky.
But you basically ignored it. Lucas.
I cannot believe he did this.
He must have really had to go. It was the last time he went outside.
Like an hour ago, right before I took him into the bathroom. Not even an hour ago. Because I wanted him to go to the bathroom before I got him all nice and clean.
Ooh. Where is she?
In a ravine.
What's that?
That's where, like the creek out here, you see how the water's cut the little creek out?
Yeah.
A ravine is the same thing, but it goes much, much deeper.
Like a wave where it has a hole
No,
in it?
like the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get.
lamp, and then look at that. Look at this guy. Wait, wait. There's a
Do you
guy.
want to take him out? Because
Yeah, I think he
acting
is.
weird.
Okay.
Let me go take out our friend there. You want to keep my spot safe? No. I'll let you in the nose. That'll be okay. I'll let you in the nose.
There's focus. There we go.
Okay, you gotta go outside, puppy. Huh?
Look at how big they are together, guys. That transformer and that light and that lamp. You guys, and then you watch it.
Come here. Hey, you want to go outside or not? Come here and sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Look at the eggs. Probably just doesn't like being under the feet now.
What? Playing the game.
I want to watch a movie. Stop.
Quit.
I'm gonna wrecking ball you.
No, he's got a drink in his.
And it's Dr. Pepper.
Don't touch my butt. What are you doing? Oh, jeez.
Where are your rays? No! He's hitting me when I have Dr. Pepper in my hand.
Look, Colin, stop.
He's recording me and I don't like it. I don't want to be in like videos or something right now. Covering your camera on. Instead of saving Daddy's spot, I'm gonna steal. I stole Daddy's spot.
No, that's not gonna go.
For me, it does.
When he gets that spot, Colin, you're gonna be bad.
Come on. Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
I didn't see you, but I stole it.
Yeah? You know what's going to happen?
Yeah, you're gonna get out of his spot, and then it's gonna be so warm for
I'm
that.
gonna blend this spot.
Bomb the spot with one of your powerful farts.
Daddy, I blended your spot.
You know what I'm going to do?
Now I'm gonna sit.
Bomb it with your powerful fart.
I'm gonna sit right on top of it.
Come on.
No,
Move it,
no,
buddy.
no.
Come on. Get up, down, so you can come sit with me. That's fine. No. No. Stinker. 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 Look at face. Look at face. I'm gonna make you smell it.
Told you, you made a nice warm spot for Daddy.
You little stinker. Just because you did that, I'm gonna grow my hair long. I'm gonna put it on one last time. If you knock it off again, I'm growing my hair out long, real long. I might not have to cut it ever again.
You're gonna be real fun, and I hate her. She's the worst thing in the world.
I bet she was cute.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you too?
He doesn't like that. Yes.
Pick it up so the dog doesn't chew on it, please.
File.
Go get it so the dog doesn't chew on it.
Okay. Here's.
Okay, guys, stinky ogre.
I think he just really had to go and just couldn't help it. Because he went out there and I mean I guarantee he took a good 45-second piss. And then he shit, yeah. So he must have been holding it for a while. Hey!
though. He just went out. He peed. He didn't pee.
Well, he went out there and he peed again for a good 45 seconds. So it must have been him. He just couldn't hold it anymore. I'm just saying, I don't know.
I put you on my YouTube video, Mommy.
Do you not want to watch this, Colin? Should I turn it
Tell you
off?
why? Because he drank all of his water. I don't want to be on YouTube. I'm disgusting, so I don't want to be on YouTube. Thank you.
That's me.
Mommy is not disgusting. Mommy is a hottie.
No, I'm not. Hi, Ben.
Mommy's a MILF.
Mommy's a fatty.
I don't know.
Mommy's not a fatty.
She's not fat.
Fatties are round. Mommy is not round.
Yeah, because we saw a fatty girl at the pool today.
I mean, she probably was overweighted.
huge. She was humongous. She was big. She was bigger than like just this. She was bigger, like her stomach was the size of this whole thing.
Yeah. I had a lady come into my store that was a Weeble Wobble. You know what a
And
Weeble
guess
Wobble
what?
is?
Her
beach
head
ball.
was about as big, like this. This is how big her head was.
I guess I should turn this off, huh, Colin?
Like
I'm watching it.
She was fat. She was so fat.
Turning it off.
No!
Then we stop talking about the people we saw and watch. Logan, turn the phone off.
But she's big and fat.
Guys, see you in the new video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.